Morning, everyone. Dan Nardi Chicken Garage. It's Monday morning. I've got a 21 TX300 TPI. And as you can see, I've got the throttle body taken off and the reed cage taken out. And plugs for the injectors right there. So, if you haven't guessed yet, I'm doing this to a buddy's bike. The Injector Relocate block kit. Now he bought this used, so it's got everything. He's got the map switch, he's got the Wi-Fi module for it. Of course it comes with the injector block. So what I've done so far is disassembled the entire stock injector fuel line. What this kit did not come with was the clamps, so I had to very carefully disassemble and save all of the clamps, which can be done very gently, just by prying the opening with a very small flat tip. I've done this before in another video, but you can take these ears here and just gently pry both sides of that ear up and down and sideways until it loosens and you can twist it. And then it's just a matter of pulling them off all of the hoses. So the injectors are off, everything is cleaned. Reed cages, the valves are in good shape. This bike's a 21 with, I don't know, probably 100 hours on it or so. The instructions are pretty decent. This is the first time I'm doing this, so I'm just going step by step very carefully. And I'm in the process now of I've taken the O-ring off. I've put it on the new injector block, and spare parts so far are one of the hoses, the ECU of course, and the one of the blocks for the reed cage. Backside of this guy here. So that's where I'm at so far. I didn't do a video on how to disassemble everything. It's just, you know what, guys? There's lots of videos out there. It's pretty straightforward. Just take your time. So I'll continue on with this and start putting things back together. My next thing now is before you put the injectors in place with the spacers here, you do have to connect the reed cage, I believe, because one of the screws, yeah, it's this one here, has to go onto the reed cage first. Otherwise, if you put the injectors in, you won't be able to screw the reed cage in. So that has to go on first. So that's what I'm doing now.